Giraffe. Giraffe is saying hello to Suvi. Hello, Suvi. Good morning. Are you hiccuping? Giraffe. Giraffe saying hi. Yee. Yee. Right? Look at how you're lying down. Oh, you're so happy girl. Oh, right? We are a happy girl. Giraffe is saying hello to baby. Good morning. Oh, did you sleep well last night? Oh, did you get cranky last night? You tell Giraffe no, I'm a well-behaved girl, right? Lee. Oh. You want to talk? You want to talk to Giraffe? Huh? You want to talk to Giraffe? Huh? Ah. Did we have good time with Grandma? Oh, in the morning I went down, right? Oh. Oh. Hey. Oh. We talked with a lot of grandmas, right? Downstairs. Didn't we? Oh, you're so happy. Oh, yeah, hiccuping. Oh, hiccuping doesn't bother us anymore. Brave girl. Oh, you. Oh, hiccuping is okay, huh? Oh. Where's Hattie? Where's Hattie? Huh? Did you see Hattie? Oh. Oh, did you see Hattie? Where's Hattie? Oh, this is Giraffe, right? Where's Hattie? Where's Hattie? Oh? Oh, yeah, right. Hattie's there. Smart girl. Hey, so happy. Oh. Hey. Yeah, say hi to Papa. Say hi to Grandma and great grandma, Nanny and Daddy. Say hi. Oh, are you a good one today, huh? No. Okay. What? You want to see something? What? Okay, mommy, stopping.